I'm Perky the Clown from Boca Point Clowns on Call, and I'm here to thank Clown Antics. My skit is called Ice Fishing.
There are no fish under the ice. There are no fish under the ice. There are no fish under the ice.
God, is that you?
No, I'm the manager of the ice skating rink.
I'm Perky, and from all of us at Boca Point Clowns on Call, we hope you enjoyed watching. And please go to Clown Antics on the YouTube channel for more videos. Bye for now.